Hello everyone and welcome to Team Cadillac in Vallejo, proud member of the DGDG family. My name is Mike Woleslagle and we're going to do a walk around video of this beautiful Cadillac XT4 in crystal white tri-coat and tell you about all the fine details. Come on, let's go for a ride. This particular model we're looking at here today is the Cadillac XT4 Sport all-wheel drive. Now it distinguishes itself in a few different ways that I'll point out as we go around. But one of the ones to look at first as we're up front here is this beautiful black diamond cut grille. The luxury model has more chrome accents on this, but this is entirely blacked out. Our lower body fascia here is also entirely blacked out. So you'll notice a few distinct cues on the Sport all-wheel drive edition as opposed to the luxury edition. Up front here we also have obviously the beautiful Cadillac logo, and all your radar sensors for your various safety equipment are integrated into the front here. Underneath the hood here we have a fantastic brand new engine, a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder, 237 fantastic horsepower with a broad torque range of 258 pound-feet of torque from 1500 RPM all the way up to 4000 RPM. Great response, great feedback when you hit the throttle, and it also features active deactivation of the cylinders for excellent fuel economy on the highway, which gets you up to 30 miles per gallon on the freeway. Definitely all the check boxes are checked because you have great fuel economy and fantastic power available. Also I want to mention a beautiful distinct Cadillac feature here, the beautiful LED headlights and daytime running lights. Cuts a distinct line with our vertical light blade of LED lights, over 100 LED lights on this particular vehicle. So definitely style with substance to make sure you're perfectly seen on the roads. Moving around to the side here, I want to start pointing out some of the nice features on this vehicle. Our Sport model here has 20-inch diamond cut Titan satin finish wheels that are just striking. Our mirrors have multiple safety equipment inside them. We have an integrated turn signal indicator to make sure everybody sees you in your process of moving, as well as a blind zone indicator in the mirror that does two things. It detects cars in your blind zone, and it also has a lane change alert function that allows the car to tell you if somebody is coming up fast in the lane you're wishing to turn into, making sure you're completely safe all the way around. As we move to the doors, you'll notice a button here on the handle that allows you to open up all the doors with a single touch with the key fob in your pocket. Completely hands-free with your key fob. Just leave it in your pocket or your purse. Down on the side here, we have a nice Sport model edition, which has the high gloss lower fascia trim on the side here, as well as blacked out treatment all the way around the windows. Very sharp on the Sport model. The rear here has clear taillight lenses that allow you the LEDs in here to shine bright, but also have a very clean look, beautiful all the way around. As we move around to the back, I want to point out several things. First of all is you'll notice the AWD here for all-wheel drive. This is a twin clutch all-wheel drive. It will make sure that the wheel that has the traction will get the power, getting you out of any tight spot in stormy weather or slightly snowy weather to give you that nice ride with the safe traction. As we move around the side here, you'll notice the integrated 6 sensors here for all your different safety equipment, your rear automatic braking. If, for heaven forbid, there's a pole or something in the back that you didn't see, the car will automatically stop to make sure you don't hit it. It's also rear parking sensors, etc. All the nice safety equipment, all integrated, all very clean looking. We have dual exhaust, chrome tips, and we also have integrated spoiler with a hidden windshield wiper. Not a big ugly bulge on your windshield, on your rear window to make it look bad. It's all integrated into the spoiler. We have multiple cameras. The one up top here is the camera for the innovative rear view camera mirror. This is not your rear view backup mirror camera. This is a rear view mirror that is a mirror as well as a camera. And we'll show you that when we get inside. So the camera for that is up here. We also have the rear view camera for your backup down here. All nicely integrated, all very clean looking. In the back seat here, the passengers are not forgotten in the least. We have class-leading rear seat legroom in the back here, with a full 8 inches more of legroom than the Audi Q3. In addition to that, we have heated outboard seats, cup holders, very comfortable leather seating, and the Bose sound system speakers to keep everybody entertained. We also have the Ultra View sunroof that keeps the glass going all the way to the back seat for just those great views on those nice country rides. Inside the front seat here, there's a lot of features to cover, but I am going to hit some of the highlights for you. And for that, I have to start with these seats. Gorgeous leather, very comfortable seats that, in addition to everything else, have a massage function. For those nice long road trips, these seats will massage you from top to bottom to make sure you arrive in comfort and relaxation. Also, this sport model has a nice leather trimmed perforated steering wheel with various controls right at your fingertips, right on the steering wheel. We have adaptive cruise control, we have heated steering wheel, we have all your voice controls as well as your 8-inch color display, all those controls right at your fingertips. For our newest technology, we have NFC to be able to pair your phone very easily by just tapping it to the dash. Our Q infotainment system now has multiple controls. There are actually 4 different ways to control your infotainment system, from your voice to the steering wheel, to the touch screen, to this brand new rotary dial here that allows you to touch the dial to move it and activate any various functions on the Q infotainment system. All very easy, all very high technology. All our controls are easily at reach here from our HVAC system, as well as our different parking functions and various controls. We have our automatic temperature control with dual zone climate control. Passenger and driver can be very comfortable. We have our heated and cooled seats with multiple levels of functionality. We also have our parking sensors and, believe it or not, self-parking. This car will back itself into a spot as well as parallel park itself all by itself. Very handy, very safe, and very, very easy to use. Well, thank you for watching our video today on this beautiful crystal white tri-coat Cadillac XT4 all-wheel drive sport model. It's been our pleasure giving you some interesting facts on this vehicle. And we'll welcome your calls for any test drives. We love to set that up as an appointment for you to make sure you're 100% taken care of here at Team Cadillac in Vallejo. Again, my name is Mike Woleslagle. Don't hesitate to call.